Hi, do you want to check the memory consumed by your Chrome browser or any other browser when you open multiple websites in your system? Then follow this trick. Just place your mouse on any of the blank space on the top of your browser and then right click. Click on the task manager. Here you can see the memory consumed by the different websites. You can close any of the website which consumes more memory. If you like this video, very useful and informative, please like and subscribe to our educational channel. Thanks for watching this.